Hey everyone, welcome to Excel Insider. Today I will show you 4 different ways to display the day of the week from a date using Microsoft Excel 365. For this tutorial, we're working with a dataset that includes dates, their temperature, humidity, and the weather condition. Our goal is to extract and display the day of the week for each date in column B. Let's jump in. In the first method, we will find out which day of the week it is by using text function. The text function converts a value to text in a specific number format. Here's how to do it. In a column of your choice, I'll go for column B. Type this formula, equals text. For the first argument, select the date, which is cell A2, comma. For the second argument, type the date format, which is double apostrophe. Type the D 4 times, close the apostrophes, and close the bracket. In the second argument, DDD is the format code for the full day name like Monday. Press enter and drag down to autofill. The column now clearly displays the day of the week for each date. This approach makes it easy to see weekdays at a glance. Let's move to the next method. In the second method, we will use Excel's custom format to display the day of the week directly from a date. This method shows the day names but will replace the original dates in the selected column. So a copy of the date column is recommended if the original date needs to be preserved. To get started, first copy the dates from column A to column B. Right-click on the selected data, select Format Cells. This will open up Format Cells dialog box. In the Number tab, under Category, select Custom. On the right-hand side, under Type, scroll all the way down and select DDD Format. Click OK. There it is. The column now neatly displays the full day names for each date, making it easy to read. Now let's explore the third method. In the third method, we will use the weekday function with the help of insert function dialog box to get the day of the week. Weekday function returns a number from 1 to 7 representing the day of the week. Here's how to do it. In a cell of your choice, I'll go for cell B2, double-click, click on the Insert Function button right next to Formula bar. This opens up Insert Function dialog box. In the Category section, make sure to select Date and Time from the drop-down. Under Select Function, scroll all the way down and choose Weekday. Click OK. A Function Arguments dialog box shows up. In the Serial Number field, choose the date, in this case, cell A2. In the Return Type field, type 1. Click OK to complete the function. You will see a number representing the day. Drag down the fill handle to autofill. Now let's format these numbers as day names. Select all the number cells, right-click, and choose Format Cells. This opens up Format Cells dialog box. In the Number tab, under Category, choose Custom. On the right-hand side, under Type, scroll all the way down and select DDD Format. Click OK. And there it is. The numbers now display as actual day names, giving you a clean, readable results while maintaining the underlying numeric values. Let's head to the final method. In the final method, we will combine the weekday and the choose functions to create a custom abbreviation for each day. Choose function selects an item from a list based on its position number. Let's see how it works. In the cell of your choice, in this case, I'll go for cell B2, type this formula. Let me break it down. The weekday function gets a number from 1 to 7 using the cell A2, which is the date. The chose function then picks the corresponding abbreviation from the list. SU for 1, MO for 2, and so on. This helps us to get the day of the week. Press enter and drag down to autofill. The column now displays the custom abbreviation for the days. This is perfect if you need very specific short labels that aren't very standard. So there you have it. 4 different ways to display the day of the week from a date in Excel using Microsoft Excel 365. Download the workbook linked below. Visit excelinsider.com for more Excel and Google Sheet tutorials. Feel free to comment your questions and feedback. Thanks for watching.